What's going on, guys? Faced here back again, doing another vlog, but this one's on a certain project right here. This is for our buddy HELLCAT. You guys may have known him from last year's SF15 Mayhem with his car. But yeah, this is literally the week before he has to leave, and we're getting it done for him. We're going with a two-face look, so half of it's going to be black like his original car, half of it's going to be satin white, and then we're going to do a little camo on top with the red stripe down the middle, kind of inspired by John Olsen's Audi RS6. But yeah, I mean, just keep watching and see how we do things, and I'll show you as we go what little tips and tricks to use and what little areas to avoid. All right, so what we're doing here is we actually laid knifeless tape beforehand, just to get kind of a straight line down the middle. You don't want to cut on customers' cars, especially where like right down the middle of it. But yeah, pull in the knifeless tape through here. And pull through, Travis. Gives us a nice straight edge. Now the nice thing about this is it's actually going to have a red stripe on top of it. So even if the stripe isn't perfectly centered, which I'm pretty sure we got it damn near centered, that red stripe's going to give us a little bit of a leeway here. So that's why you see a lot of cars that do the two-face look have something down the middle, just to keep it from, you know, covering or just keep it from showing all the edges and imperfections. Even though we're gonna end up using the same amount of material.
Yep.
All right, so what we're doing now is laying the fender. Usually with directional material, we'll cut out, of course, whichever way the direction is going. Idiot. I'm gonna go up more. Attack it? Yeah, sorry. But yeah, so since this is not direction material, what we're doing is trying to save as much material as possible, kind of cut down costs. Of course, we're a shop, so you got to save some money somewhere, right? A lot of people think that, hey, doing half wraps costs a lot less than doing a full wrap. To a certain extent, yes, because your material is kind of cut in half. But in the same sense, on this vehicle, we're doing camo, which you're going to end up using about the same material as you would on a full car wrap.
Look at this dude.
What really happened?
He ain't even working. It's like a sweatshop in here. Boy. So Travis, how's it looking?
Almost done.
Yeah, we can't hear you because you're fucking...
It's almost done.
Oh, okay, good. Gonna look good with that red stripe going through the middle, matching the calipers.
Alright, go up. There's the doors. It was literally an inch off.
So are y'all doing the side skirt and the door together, or?
So we're gonna do the doors together, but the side skirt is gonna trim off, just so we have the material access to be able to do it. floating in. I know, but we're just cutting the two up here. They're still working? Really?
Man, I should have bought a Ford.
Hey.
Just because my car had to get towed because of fueling issues. Okay, relax.
Alright, so what we're doing here, we don't normally do, but since this car is black, we're using every Denison material, and it's really a simple two doors. We're doing both of them in one piece. Again, saving as much material as we possibly can, but we're not gonna compromise and have a crappy result. So we'll show you what we're doing and how we do it. You do want my favorite thing to do. My all-time favorite thing to do.
So, are you gonna do like a slice right here?
Yeah, so this is where the door handle is. The door handle is actually in here. It's not like most cars where
The whole
you have
thing?
two holes. Yeah, this whole thing is just door handle.
Alright guys, the best thing about this car is the dark, like blackish gray color. More black.
They call it phantom black.
Phantom black.
Black, metallic.
It's very metallic-y and sparkly, so it's easier to wrap than, say, anybody else's car that's red. So like everybody in our group.
Yeah. Don't fit.
Bam, done just like that.
These are really easy.
But yeah.
You gotta. Alright, so what we're doing here is laying knifeless for the rear quarter panel. We're gonna lay the rear quarter panel, of course, all in one piece. The excess material that's gonna come from the inside we'll use for the roof. If not the roof, then the trunk and spoiler. But yeah, save on excess wherever we can.
I feel like you probably could do, with all that material left, you could probably do part of the trunk. But then I don't think it would work that well. I don't know. We'll have to try it out.
It's a two-part trunk, so
Yeah.
it might work.
I just feel like the prices are higher.
A little bit.
I mean, that's what you got to do to get it, like, right then and there.
Need magnets too.
Big piece of vinyl.
You got the magnets.
Where they at?
Side of the box.
So yeah, right now, because it's such a big piece of vinyl, they're using magnets to just hold it in place. Because, yeah, this is huge.
Doors to the structure here. Yeah. back some, but just cut straight up here. This is the top of the door. All right, I'm back behind the camera. You can see all the progress we got done so far today.
It's been 15 minutes.
Yeah. Thought we got to pick up the camera, so I had to. But yeah, all we got left to do is the side skirt, mirrors, roof, trunk, and bumpers, or half bumpers. So yeah, we'll pick that up tomorrow and show you where we go from there. Alright guys, another day here. We got a little more progress done that I didn't care to film just because we've already shown all that. What we're doing today is setting up knifeless tape for our camo spots. So they can be kind of random, kind of just whatever shape. But yeah, and we're gonna meet them in the middle. So right here on the satin white side, we're going gloss white and gloss gray for your camo pattern. On the black side, we're doing satin black and matte black. As you can tell, we've got some progress going. There's some gloss white, not really easy to tell there. But we also got some gloss gray going. We got the knifeless shapes going. Travis is going through and pulling some knifeless tape. Hopefully he gets the right one. Till here. Shapes there, gonna overlap panels. Overlapping panels kind of makes it bring everything together. Alright guys, so didn't show you much of the camo patterns progress just because we're just too busy working on it. But here it is. So the customer decided that he wants to add like a little satin black accent stripe to wherever the gloss white is. Just because the gloss white wasn't sticking out as much as he wanted to on the satin white. But as you can tell, we got the red stripe going down. This side has satin and matte black. All the way through. Of course, the car is aired out right now. And then this side has gloss gray, gloss white, and of course, a little bit of the satin black action. But yeah. I think it came out pretty badass. The end result, I mean, you guys tell me what y'all think. But yeah, this wraps up another video. If you guys have anything you guys want to see or want me to specify on or show you guys kind of like a how-to on, let me know and we'll try to get that done for you guys. See ya.